This is Kruti Desai, who's currently working as a lawyer and a partner at ALMT Legal. So, Kruti, can you tell us more about your job as a lawyer?
Hi, I handle corporate, commercial law, labor and employment, and IPR matters, which include patent, trademark, copyrights, and I do a little bit of insolvency and restructuring matters.
Okay. So, what skills do you think students should develop, and what skills do you think students should possess if they are interested in this field of work?
So, while they are studying law, I would strongly recommend them to do as many moot court competitions as possible. It's a huge learning opportunity. Don't think of it as very different and very challenging. It is challenging, and that is what will help you when you actually go out there and start your practice. Try to do at least 3 to 4 moot court competitions in a year. These competitions are extremely helpful. You learn a lot. You learn how to draft. You learn how to research. You learn how to have the confidence to talk before a judge. It's an overall learning experience. And second thing is, do as many internships as possible, but try to do a long internship with one firm if you have that option. If you don't have an option and you only get 2 months break to do internships, then of course try to do as many internships as possible, because what you learn while studying is very different from what you learn while working. A lot of your skills you acquire with experience, with work, whether you're working as an intern or as an associate.
So, what more guidance do you have for students who are interested in taking up law as a profession?
So I have two points to mention here. One is that be open to doing all kinds of work when you're doing your internships or when you're just graduated and starting as a fresh associate. Don't be too selective initially on, oh, I only want to do corporate or I only want to do IPR. It's good to learn all the varied experiences, from whether it is litigation or it is corporate, whether it is IPR, whether it's property, whether it is labor and employment. Don't say no to any work that comes your way. If you are supposed to have a selection process, and some of the firms tell you that no, you need to choose which team you need to join, then I would suggest you start by learning how litigation works. It is important when you start off as a lawyer to know how dispute resolution works. You need to know what happens when there is a dispute between two parties, how does an arbitration process work, how does a court process work, what are the different filings, what is a way of doing conciliation, mediation, etc. So once you've got this background, it will help you in drafting any contract, whether it is a shareholders agreement, share subscription agreement, or a commercial contract. You will be able to foresee issues better and draft the language more appropriately. So that's one suggestion. And the second suggestion is, do a lot of reading. Keep yourselves updated at all times on all the different developments that happen. Reading up all latest case laws. Read up the Economic Times on a daily basis, and keep yourself fully updated as much as possible. You may want to get up early in the morning to read, or you read in the night, but keep 1 or 2 hours reading time exclusively on legal subjects. Thank you.
All right, that sounds great. So, thank you, Kruti. Thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for your advice. And see you soon. Good luck.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Johan. All the best. Bye.